Learn English with Sun English Center.
Hi kids, welcome to today's lesson. What do you do with your family on the weekends? Today, we will learn words about fun weekend activities. Let's get started.
Cinema. 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 Shopping center. Shopping center. Shopping center. Sports center. Sports center. Sports center. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Weekend. 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 Playground. 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 Beach. 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 Library. 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 Museum. 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 Amusement park. Amusement park. Amusement park. Pagoda. 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 Aquarium. 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 Cook meals. Cook meals. Cook meals. Do yoga. Do yoga. Do yoga. Play tennis. Play tennis. Play tennis. Watch films. Watch films. Watch films. Go shopping. Go shopping. Go shopping. Stay at home. Stay at home. Stay at home. Visit relatives. Visit relatives. Visit relatives. Play football. Play football. Play football. Clean the house. Clean the house. Clean the house. Meet friends. Meet friends. Meet friends. Have a picnic. Have a picnic. Have a picnic.
Great job, everyone! Now you know how to talk about your family's weekends. Keep practicing and have fun. Bye-bye.